Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will be discussing how to play Valorant on Windows 11 without TPM. First, let's go to search. In search we have to type run, and in run we will type gpedit.msc. Click OK. In here we have to go to administrative templates. In administrative templates, Windows components, and in Windows components we have to click on BitLocker drive encryption. Now operating system drives, and double click on require additional authentication and startup. Now we have to enable it and click on allow to every configuration setting. Now apply and OK. And this is how you can play on Windows 11 without TPM. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.